Introducing you Oral-B Vitality powered by B Brown. So here's the box. The box provides you with one rechargeable handle, one precision clean brush head, and one charger. As you can see, this is how it's look like. It does say it is clinically proven clean better than a manual toothbrush. Advanced cleaning technology, Oral-B precision clean brush head. This one is changeable. Okay, let's take a look what is inside. So technically it looks like this. A is this. This one can be disabled. This one. But it's very hard to take it out. So just let it remain there. This is the function actually. Okay, it rotates right and left. This one. Right and left. That's how it rotates. And this is the body. The plaque. The E label, the handle, is not given. It says in this manual it depends on models. So this model it doesn't provide handle. Brush head holder depending on model. So this one it doesn't provide. As you can see, this product is made from China, and there is QR code on top of the box, whereby you can check whether this product is genuine. So I have been charging this toothbrush for 16 hours. So now I will stick it to its body. It's well attached, so let's test it. Normally you switch on these devices when you put it inside your mouth, otherwise it will sprinkle the toothpaste around. Technically, for 16 hours charges you can use this device for 8 days. Just like that. You don't need to be afraid of this product of being overcharged. It's certainly safe. This toothbrush head is changeable. You can replace it with this kind of toothbrush head, whereby you are recommended to use this head brush for 3 months. By 4 unit of this, and then another one with different purpose. I believe this is cross action head toothbrush. See, it has 5 type of toothbrush head.